Learn how to safely and efficiently disassemble a bearing assembly in just a few simple steps. Before we get started, here's a quick look at the centrifugal dryer. Over long periods of operation, bearings naturally wear out. All right, let's get started. First, take off the bearing cover. Loosen all 6 screws by turning them counterclockwise and remove them. Next, grab a hammer and gently tap inward to open up the bearing cover. Now, look for a locking pin in one of the 4 notches. This pin keeps things from coming loose. Use a screwdriver to carefully pry it out. Then, take out the 4 screws holding the bearing housing. Loosen the screws on the taper sleeve, but don't remove them completely. Give the taper sleeve a few taps inward until you feel it move in place. Finally, tap the top of the bearing housing and pull it out together with the bearing. And that's it. Thank you for watching.